What's going on, guys? It's your boy NTG back at again with another video. And today's video, I'm just showing you guys an update of a live trade that I did with my VIP group. I went live on VIP, and I decided to do a live trade showing them pre-breakout strategy, and it was a success. As you can see, this was a live market. We hit targets, but we're gonna try and shoot for the 2 as well. I'm trailing stops right now, so locking in profit. As you guys can see on the bottom, we were like, let me show you guys how far we were from hitting stop loss. So like not even a pip. We missed stop loss by a pip. And I'm gonna show you guys that full video. If there's any updates to this trade, I'm gonna let you know. I drew out the actual fibs for targets and everything like that. But we had a successful live trade that that night. Right now for me it's like 2:30, 3 o'clock in the morning right now. So if I sound like kind of tired, it's just because one of my VIP members woke me up and told me, hey, NTG, the target Asian session is taking off. So I woke up and I looked in, and we're taking off right now. So I wanted to do a live trade. Now this is not to like tell you guys like, hey, like, oh, like you should join the VIP so you can do live trading with NTG. You know, that's not the case here. I'm just showing you guys because a lot of people question me. A lot of people, you know, on my lives try to call me out, say like my account flips are fake and all this other stuff. But I've done everything. I've showed you guys the knowledge. I've showed you guys withdrawals. And right now I'm showing y'all a live trade, a pre-breakout, going exactly as planned during the live. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload partial of the VIP private live session that we did, just so I can show you guys the breakdown. I mean, it kind of looks like we're about to hit the 2 of the targets right now. So I did a little $200 account. You guys know that is my flip account, so I'm not really too worried about it. Let me screenshot it right now. I'm $200 and floating profit right now, so you guys will see there. I don't know if I'm gonna add any more positions. Maybe not. But yeah, we're about to hit targets. Like I said before, this was VIP group session, so I'm gonna upload partial of the session, so you guys can see like how I broke through this trade, how I was able to use trading psychology to stay into this trade, because obviously you guys see this trade was in drawdown, and I actually redrew the pattern as well. The pattern was here, but you guys will see in the live what I did, how I broke it down, how I was able to, keep my composure on this trade during the VIP live session. So like I said before, this video is not for to show you guys, hey, join the VIP and you're gonna do live sessions with NTG, because most likely you're not. This was just like an impulse live trade that I took. I saw a good opportunity. The more the VIP is just more for the knowledge. You guys are gonna gain experience, knowledge in 1 month to be able to trade the markets. So yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys. I thought this would be a great video for content. It's gonna be about like an hour long, so you guys just enjoy this video, watch the whole thing for me. Make sure you guys like up the video. Make sure you comment below what video you would like to see me do next. All right, so if this video gets, on average I get on like 5,000 views. So if this video gets to 5,000 likes, okay, I'm gonna shoot for something real high. I maybe go live trading for the main channel for everyone. So if this hits 5,000 likes, all right, and I want every single person to comment in the comment section right now. Comment whatever, comment fire emojis, say you the best NTG, comment what the next video suggestion should be, do whatever, it looks like we about to hit TP soon. So yeah, so this is the final results of the trade. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys the live, partial of the live of before this trade happened. All right, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Maybe I'll stay a little bit longer for it to hit for it to hit TP, I guess, so you guys can see this live. I'm picking it up live right now. Right now I'm on floating $222 in profit. And look, Side just texted the private Discord saying, I'm actually read what he said live right here in the NTG's member only. NTG can predict the future. Trade played out expected. Usually in Asian session, she used to watch for a bit of confirmations where we're drawn down a little bit. Working on psychology more and more now to let the trades play out more, to continue get more wins than losses. Still, profit is profit. Wish you all the same and hope to see you in profits too. Yeah, he made some profits right there. So I'm gonna screenshot that, and I'm gonna post that. In the Academy chat so everyone can see. And then y'all gonna be able to know that live trading. I'm gonna just put live trading video coming out soon. Actually tomorrow. Maybe I'll post it tomorrow. Forget it. I'll post it today. I'll just do the editing and I'll do it today. So yeah, like I said, oh, sorry guys, I'm tired. I'm just waiting to see if it hits my TP. I already know it's gonna hit my TP, but yeah, I will screenshot it, show you guys the results of the live trade that I took. So yeah, it was your boy NTG in the flesh. If anybody had any doubts about me, well, this is my saying to you that your boy NTG is legit. That's all I gotta say for that. Drop the mic. All right, guys. So enjoy the live. Like I said, like the video. Subscribe if you're new to the channel, man. Subscribe, man. I got a lot of content that could get you into trades just like this, man. So it's your boy NTG. I hope you guys enjoy that little live session. And I'm out. Peace. So then that means our stop loss, I'll actually probably put it a little bit above that SMA there. Let's go 25. Let's do 26 evenly. Yeah. But normally I get my entries on the 5-minute, not the 15-minute. So yeah. So this is where I would like enter the trade for real. I still haven't decided if I want to though. I wonder. Let's see how good the engulfing is. If not, I won't enter it. Yeah, so let's continue to watch it. I like even numbers, so 23,500. 2350. The long position was 4,500 pips. The long position was 4,500 pips. What? 4,500 pips? Where? What are you talking about? Oh, okay. No, I don't think so. No. Oh, look at that. Am I calling entries again? Yo, I don't know, guys. I've been on fire, on point with these where these engulfings are gonna end up. But yeah, that's where I would enter the trade right there. So 22. Beautiful. Yeah, so we got a nice position here. So I decided to get in there. All right. And I'm gonna just let that run. This is gonna be live. So we know what's gonna go down. And then I'll probably use fibs from here to the break, somewhere around there. So targets will be somewhere around here. Yeah. Somewhere around that 37, from 1837 to 1835 if you want to take like early pips. So about 100 pips right there. So that's what we're looking at right now as far as the trade. So that's what I want to see. All right, let's get back here. So no, I'm saying no ticks. Okay, ticks 3,000 ticks for stop loss. Okay, we'll jump to the 22. What are y'all talking about? Well, right now I have a 30 pip stop. So that movement, yeah, sometimes it does. Sometimes, yeah. Yeah. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Let's see if this pre-breakout holds up. Yeah, let's see if this structure holds up. This is a small loss. It ain't too big of a deal. $30 loss. This is just to test some waters. Wow, I can't really do that. Then it says, yeah, of course. The gold can do whatever it wants. It doesn't matter about. At the end of the day, the market doesn't care about sessions, all that good stuff. Okay, it's at the end of the day, it still does what it wants to do. If gold wants to shoot down, if it wants to shoot down 200 pips right now, it can do that. Everybody will wake up like, what the heck happened during the Asian session? Like, it's much better. I spent $300, and it was only 2 sessions, but 6 hours. Wait, hold on. I didn't read that. Wouldn't spend in another course about stock market. This is much better. I appreciate it. Back in December, you keep saying that you wish you found the channel back in December. You spent, see, that's what I'm saying though. People don't understand that. Like, you spent $300 for only 2 sessions. That's 6 hours. So you guys get 32 hours. 32 hours for only 500. Like, I'm telling you, it's a steal. I know $500 is a lot of money for some people, especially to pay up front. I understand that, but at the same time, it's a steal. It's still a steal. You know, I could have easily charged $1,500, $1,800 for this type of material for a VIP group, and some people will pay for that. I understand that too. I know some people will pay me that much money to learn from me personally, but like I said before, it's not a money thing for me. I just want to teach, you know, and pass on the knowledge that someone else can benefit from. So whether they get it or not, it's up to them. I'm not really trying to upsell it. Trust me. If I was, I would be like, join the Patreon today, and I'll be in a public Discord. You want some analysis? Join the Patreon. Yeah, it's just funny. That's funny. But it's up to y'all. I'ma still keep doing my best regardless. So watch gold on this trend line. Obviously, if it breaks to the downside, we're not gonna get into any sells, not at that zone. So good job, Hendrik, on looking on that zone. You see, you guys already learning already. You're able to already find zones just like that. So I can tell there's a lot of improvement already, and that indicator strategy is just gonna help even more. So I'm excited for that. I'm excited we can back test that together, and then eventually forward test it live. You said it's different? Oh, yeah, you did, because you said it was you said the 23.27. I drew it at the 21.25. I mean, still pretty close. We're still in like in the middle. We're like in between there. Yeah, so you think it's at the 23, so 23 to 27. Oh, so you think it's resistance. Okay, I see what you're saying now. If we go back, I like to draw it here because we have this we have like this engulfing here, so that's one. We have another engulfing right here, that's two. Structure right here, and then we have the engulfing here, and then of course you will average out the wicks to the downside. So this will be ideal for me, where I would want to put my zone. This is where I would want to put my zone, evening out all the way through there. Perfect. So yeah, so that's exactly where we're actually reacting to right now. Yeah, you have the same zone from the 23 to the 25. Yeah, so that's a good zone. That's a good zone. We don't want it too wide. We don't need the zone too wide. You like putting it at the 23. It's good enough. There we go. Yeah, so that's ideal right there. Definitely. You are looking left. Are you watching bullish or bearish engulfing? I'm looking for both. That's a good question, Sai. I'm looking for both, because both of them can confirm either one. You don't have to look for a certain candle bearish or bullish. So oh wait, I go too far back. I went too far back. So you see here we have a bullish engulfing here, and we have a bearish engulfing. That's why I kind of lowered the zone here, but we have a bearish engulfing and a bullish engulfing, so that's beautiful. So you want to look for both. We have some resistance here, we got an engulfing here, a golfing here, so we can just kind of like average out whatever. We're looking for both ends, because remember, the more support and resistance touches we have in that zone, the stronger the zone is. So ideally we will want to look for something like that, where we see it acting. When you see, so let's draw this out real quick, guys, right? So say this is a zone right here, and this is a zone here, right? And then let's say we have a zone. No, that's fine there. So let's say we have this, right? Acting as support, right? Beautiful. This is a key zone because we have multiple touches, right? But when you have resistance, and then it comes and act as support, and then acts as resistance, and then act as support, this this is gonna be a stronger level. This is gonna be a key level, a stronger key level than this, because this is only acting as support, but this is a key level because it's acting as resistance and support. So that's an even stronger level. So when you have levels like that, when the market is reacting like that, that's a strong level. That's a strong key level right there. So that's what you want to see. Right, exactly. So that's probably what it's gonna end up doing. It's just consolidating. So just like that. But we're gonna do that that pre-breakout strategy. Upload it soon. But until then, I'm gonna just focus on y'all's indicator strategy for sure. But that's dope. Ooh, it's so hard trying to keep, guys. It's so hard trying to keep up with the Discord now, with the public and the members only. A lot of stuff. It's a lot of stuff to manage. It's all good. We did have someone join the VIP group today. They're not in the live stream right now. I don't know. I messaged them, but I guess they're not joining us today. So Super Trend likes to show buy on 15-minute time frame and sell on the 5-minute. That's the indicators, and that's why when I use indicators, I usually try to stick to one time frame, because using indicators and switching the time frames don't really work well. It only works well with price action. Confluence trading only works well with price action. If you have an indicator strategy, 100% of the time you want to just stick to one time frame and not switch it up. So training's good though. Training's good. Like I said before, the team leaves actually tomorrow to Japan. So they're leaving tomorrow to Japan for the Olympics. Let's get off. If I can give you guys any advice right now, that's what it's looking like. All right, so we had a nice close on the 15-minute. I'm just adjusting it, because you know we update the pattern. I'm just updating it until the London or the in the New York session. Let's see if we stay. If we break at this point, then we're definitely consolidating. Pre-breakout was a fail. Pre-breakout was a fail, and we should wait for the actual break. So just a impulse. See how it reacts to that, to where I drew my new trend line. Yes. Buy and hold. That's it. That's all you gotta do, Sai. Buy and hold. Just buy and hold it. That's it. And I promise you'll be sitting nice with a good return. Yeah, guys, so we're coming up to the end of the session, guys. Like I said, tomorrow we are gonna backtest that indicator strategy. So we're gonna backtest it together, run through some rules, some tests. We're gonna go through all of that so you guys can use this in the market, and then eventually a week from now we'll forward test it together. So we'll actually forward test it live on the session. All right, guys. So I will see you guys again tomorrow. He said, damn, too fast. Yeah, these sessions are getting quick. So that's why I put 2 hours, because an hour wouldn't have been enough time. So that's why I put 2 hours. It's a good time. An hour would have, you would have blinked and it would have been over. So I'm gonna rest up. Tomorrow we're gonna back test, and we're gonna do that. All right, guys. All right, so be ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be a good big step for us for that indicator strategy. And I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night.